Medical bills are the absolute #1 cause of financial stress in Nevada, pushing thousands of eligible people toward devastating debt simply because the application system seems impossibly confusing. If you've just arrived in the US, trying to navigate this bureaucratic maze without a safety net puts your family's entire new start at serious risk. By the end of this 8-minute explainer, you will know exactly how the 2026 system works and the exact steps to get your family covered.
Today's agenda covers 6 simple parts: the overwhelming healthcare maze, who qualifies in Nevada, decoding the income rules, your essential document checklist, how to apply successfully, and securing your financial peace. Let's get right into it.
Section 1, the overwhelming healthcare maze. Let's acknowledge a difficult truth right out of the gate, okay? For families across our state, staggering medical bills are absolutely the #1 cause of financial stress. And look, if you're a recent immigrant, it is completely normal to feel lost when you're confronted with this system. You're just trying to establish a foundation, and instead, you're handed this massive stack of impenetrable government terminology. As you can see, figuring out healthcare in this country can literally feel like a maze. It's like wandering in the dark. That feeling of not knowing where to turn or what forms to fill out, it's incredibly stressful. But here is the truly heartbreaking part. Thousands of Nevadans who actually qualify for low-cost or even completely free healthcare never apply. They just walk away because the whole thing seems too confusing, which leaves their health and their wallets entirely unprotected. Well, we're putting an end to that confusion right now, and we're going to translate all that complex language into plain, actionable steps. Who qualifies in Nevada?
Moving on to Section 2, who qualifies in Nevada? So, who actually qualifies? It's a great question, right? Knowing if you even have a right to these benefits is the very first step in reclaiming your power within this massive system. Honestly, it really just boils down to a few basic boxes you have to check to be considered. You must be a Nevada resident, and you need to be either a U.S. citizen or what the system calls a qualified non-citizen. For a lot of folks who just arrived, realizing that being a qualified non-citizen, which usually just means you're a legal permanent resident, grants you the exact same rights to this safety net as a citizen, well, it brings an immense wave of relief. If you check those boxes, you have a definitive pathway to care.
Because Nevada expanded its Medicaid program, coverage extends to a beautifully broad range of people. The pathways for both citizens and legal residents to utilize the safety net are way broader than you might think. Let's look at exactly who is covered under these expanded rules. First, we have low-income adults, and yes, that's even if you do not have children. It covers pregnant women who absolutely need that vital prenatal care. It covers kids under 19, ensuring the next generation is fully protected. And of course, it covers seniors 65 and older, as well as people with disabilities. This expansion basically means the safety net is deliberately designed to catch you, not exclude you. Decoding the income rules. All right, let's look at Section 3, decoding the income rules. Okay. Government agencies love to use scary acronyms that make simple concepts feel like you're doing advanced calculus, right? But we're going to tackle these intimidating concepts directly so they don't block your progress. The crucial thing to know here is that MAGI is just a fancy government acronym for a very simple math formula regarding what you earn. It stands for Modified Adjusted Gross Income. I know, it sounds incredibly technical, but it's literally just your household's total income before taxes are taken out, minus a few very specific deductions. That's it. That is the single number the government looks at to determine your eligibility. Once you realize this is really just a basic math equation based on your household size, all that intimidation completely vanishes. Please don't let the terminology scare you away from your benefits. When we look at the official 2026 limits, the basic rule of thumb is super simple. The more people living in your household, the higher your income limit is allowed to be. These numbers deliberately account for the heavy burden of the rising cost of living for families trying to make ends meet in a brand new country. Let's look at a quick breakdown. For a single adult, the limit is right around $1,836 a month. Now, if you are supporting a family of 4, that limit jumps up to $3,795 a month. Seeing the numbers laid out plainly like this makes it straightforward math. You simply compare your household's calculated MAGI to the limit for your specific family size.
Now for Section 4, your essential document checklist.
Okay, we're shifting gears right now. We understand the rules. Now it's time to gather some concrete evidence. Having a clear, stress-free list of necessities before you ever even open the government portal is the absolute secret to a smooth, headache-free application. You must gather exactly what is listed here, especially your proof of your income. And hey, remember to comment the word Nevada if you want a free copy of this list sent directly to you. Here's exactly what you need to physically gather before starting. Proof of who you are, like an official ID or permanent resident card,
You need proof of your income, like your most recent pay stubs or tax returns. You'll need proof you live in Nevada, so think a recent utility bill or a lease agreement. And finally, records of big expenses, specifically things like childcare costs, because these deductions can sometimes actually help you qualify.
Which brings us to Section 5, how to apply successfully. Let's go over the concrete steps for navigating the government online portal. Knowing the exact sequence of events ensures you don't waste weeks just waiting around in bureaucratic limbo. The absolute fastest, most efficient route is to apply online at the Access Nevada application website, which you can easily find at accessnevada.nv.gov. Here are your precise steps to success. Step 1. Gather your proof of income and other organized documents so they are sitting right in front of you. Step 2. Upload clear photos. Listen up, because this is the #1 mistake people make, especially for non-native English speakers trying to navigate the portal. A blurry photo of your document is the single biggest reason for delays. Make absolutely sure every single word is legible. Step 3. Submit an appeal, if initially denied. Reassure yourself that appealing a denial is a completely normal procedural right, not a permanent failure. Don't just give up. Exercise your rights. Quick pause. If this is already making things clearer for you, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps other immigrants find this video when they need it most. And drop a comment telling me, what's the one thing that confused you the most when you arrived? I read every single one. Okay, let's get into the second half of this video where I will show you how to secure your financial peace. Finally, Section 6, securing your financial peace. We are doing all of this for a very good reason. Getting your healthcare covered is a massive weight lifted off your shoulders. But more importantly, it establishes financial stability in a brand new country. You are absolutely not alone in this journey. We're building a community here of people successfully taking control of their financial destinies in the U.S. If you found this helpful, subscribe. Every week I publish guides like this one, so you always know what to do next with your money in the U.S. As we wrap up this explainer, make sure to check the direct application links in the description below and leave a comment answering this final question. What's the next goal on your journey to financial peace? Now that this major medical stress is out of the way, what are you going to conquer next? Remember, every system can be mastered when you break it down step by step. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to reading your comments and continuing this journey with you.